Like, I know the laptop is closed, but honestly, your body is still sitting at that desk. You are physically home, but your body is still stuck in that boss mode, tense, reactive, and just wired. If we don't give your body a signal that the workday is actually over, you're going to spend your whole evening in that tense mode, and we don't want that. So stand up with me right now. I don't care if you just walk through the door and maybe you spent like 10 minutes scrolling on social media on the sofa. Get up. Give me 10 minutes. By the end of this, we're going to physically shake off that work stress and get your radiance back online. All right, let's go. So we have to get the typing and the thinking out of your joints. So start by shaking your fingers. I mean it. Flick the water off your fingertips. Now let it travel to your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulders. Imagine you are shaking off every email, every meeting, and every, as per my last email, energy, okay? So let your whole body jiggle. Beautiful. Now let's interlace your fingers behind your back or just reach back if you're tight, whatever feels comfortable for you today. And as you inhale, pull your knuckles down and lift your chest. And exhale, soften the knees and round your back slightly. And again, inhale to expand and exhale to soften. We are undoing the laptop hunch and telling your heart it's safe to open again. Let's do it a few more times in your own time. Beautiful. And remember to breathe. So as you expand, really inhale. Take the deepest breath you've taken all day. And exhale, you can do a little sigh through the mouth as well. So really feel that exhale. Beautiful. I want you to reach your arm up and over. And instead of just holding it there, I want you to make a figure of 8 in the air with your hands as you lean. You can engage your upper body with that too, so just feel your ribs opening. Maybe you've been breathing shallow all day, so give your lungs some room. Nice. Let's switch sides. So we are taking the other arm up and over, and we're making the figure of 8. It doesn't matter which direction at this point, really. It's totally up to you. As long as you're tracing that figure of 8 in your mind with your arm, with your upper body, and you feel your ribs opening. You might want to just reach up your hand a little bit more to feel that opening. Nice. Beautiful. Now I want you to put your hands on your hips. We've been sitting for 8 hours, so our psoas is tight, our hips are locked. So I want you to make the biggest circles you can. So push your hips all the way to the front, to the side, to the back, and the other side, and go slow. Okay? Feel where the tension is hiding. Do it in your own rhythm or follow me. I really want you to make it super big, because you're moving out of the seated persona and just back into your body, adding a circular movement. The deeper you go, the more you're going to feel it in your hamstrings, in your hammies, as I like to say it. Good. And now let's go the other way. Beautiful. Remember to breathe. Beautiful. I want you to stand still now and really inhale, reach up. And as you exhale, roll down one vertebra at a time, very slowly. And just hang there at the bottom, okay? Hang. You can bend your knees a little bit. Just really feel that heavy feeling. I want you to shake your head no to the workday. And now shake your head yes to yourself. And do a couple more times. Shaky. Slowly roll back up, dragging your fingers up your legs. This is you reclaiming your own skin. Nice. And now I want us to sway a little bit. So there's no technique here. I've done my other videos. You know I love a nice sway. Now that our hips are open, we can sway them a little bit. You can close your eyes if you like. So notice the temperature, that change in your body. Maybe there's a heat somewhere, like in your chest or in your arms, anywhere that you feel that temperature change. That's your energy coming back from your computer and into your heart. So feel the shift from I have to produce to I'm just allowed to be. Because you aren't a worker right now, you aren't an employee or a boss. You're a woman, so feel the weight of your feet on the floor. You are home, and not just in your house, but maybe you're doing it outdoors or somewhere else, but you're in your body. So that's what I mean. And notice the softness returning to your jaw and your eyes. Beautiful. Let's take a few more deep breaths here, and you can add your upper body. Remember to take some deep breaths, follow the music, follow the rhythm, and just let yourself be here. Nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Just enjoy 10 minutes to yourself, like literally 10 minutes. That's it. Alright, we're going to anchor the kill switch now with some affirmations, okay? So say these with me out loud if you can. The day is done and I'm here. I leave the doer behind. I welcome the beer now. My energy belongs to me. I am radiant. I am soft. I am home. I am in my body. I'm so grateful for my body. The day is done and I'm here. I leave the doer behind. I welcome the beer now. My energy belongs to me. I am radiant. I am soft. I am home. I am in my body. I'm so grateful for my body. And feel that power. You've reclaimed your evening. You've reclaimed yourself. How do you feel? Do you feel the kill switch flipped? That lightness in your shoulders is your real energy? I want to know. What was the hardest thing to shake off today? Tell me in the comments. I am home. It tells me that you finished the session and you're back in your radiance. If you struggle to shut off your brain every night, you need the 7-day Feminine Flow Challenge. The link is in the description. Just go and enjoy your evening. You earned it. I'll see you in the next flow.